In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A25, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist Developer. When it's ready, open it. To mute the music right away, click at the bottom left corner. Then select Consent in the pop-up. Click on those three lines at the bottom right corner and choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Then hit Yes in Use App Settings pop-up. Now you can tap on Set Wallpaper right away and click on one of those options to apply it on home screen or home screen and lock screen, or hit this gear at the top right corner and manage all of those options. You can also select presets on the left, click on the best one for you, and tap on Yes. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, go back, hit Set Wallpaper, tap on one of those options and close Magic Fluids app. As you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!